I promised this morning to rough sleepers to bring them a rough pot each, and as you can expect, rough sleepers is on the move and on the go people, so they're not always in one space. So now I am here and with my two rough pots, and they are not here. So now I'm just sitting outside. You can see, just wait. I decided to take this as an opportunity to showcase the product I'm making, and also it'll do a little bit of getting exposure for Roof A rough sleeper. So yeah, here I sit and I'm waiting. I phoned them because I've got the one person's name. So I phoned them, so now I'm just waiting, and they promised to come back so that they can have at least a warm place to stay in tonight. Yeah, so this is me sitting at the corner waiting for my two rough sleepers to give them the rough pots.